Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how you can log out of YouTube on your mobile device. So for that, go to your phone settings and search for the app settings, and there might be a different way to open up the app settings on your phone, but the process is similar. And after opening up your app settings, click on manage apps, and here search for YouTube. Just click on it and click on clear data and clear all data and also clear the cache memory, or you can also click on storage and then clear cache and user data. So this way you will be able to factory reset your YouTube and it will be a fresh YouTube for you. So that's how you log out of your YouTube account, and I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.